Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss what do Shein points do. So Shein points are part of Shein's loyalty and reviews program designed to help users save money on their purchases. You can earn these points through various actions like placing an order, confirming delivery, writing reviews, and participating in outfit contests, and also checking daily on the Shein app. Each point holds a specific value, typically 100 points equal $1. When you're checking out, you can redeem your accumulated Shein points to get a discount on your total order. The more points you have, the bigger your savings. Shein points usually come with an expiration date, so it's best to use them before they expire. Generally speaking, Shein points are a smart way to get more value out of your shopping experience, especially if you're a frequent Shein buyer. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.